Hi, I'm Emily Mantle, a chartered professional accountant, chartered accountant, and the founder of Compass CPA. I started the firm after stepping away from my previous role as a partner at a Big Four firm because I wanted to build a practice that wasn't focused just on numbers, but on providing guidance and wisdom to small and medium-sized business owners. The passion and purpose of Compass CPA is to serve, support, and educate small to medium business owners who may not get the time, level of attention, or resources from accountants and bookkeepers that bigger businesses do. We ultimately help underserved entrepreneurs structure their businesses, understand what to look for, how to prioritize, grow, and scale, and how their business and life decisions affect each other and how to make the best choices for the long run. Compass CPA is built on strong client relationships, respect, trust, and expert financial reporting and guidance. An absolute core requirement to support a successful business is to have up-to-date, accurate financial records. Not having correct, timely financial information contributes to poorly informed decision making, more money owed to the Canada Revenue Agency than necessary, unwanted costs to correct errors, lost opportunities, lost sleep, and saying no to having fun with family and friends, and can be a big blow to the entrepreneurial dream that you had when you first started your business. Where's all that travel, money, and freedom you're supposed to be enjoying? Now, I've painted a bleak but real picture being lived by many small to medium business owners because quality bookkeeping is not being done. If you've made bookkeeping a priority, congratulations. Success step number one accomplished. You're on the way to making better decisions, being stress-free at tax time, impressing and building trust with lenders and investors, and setting the stage for growth and the lifestyle you envisioned when you started your business. Now, step number two, you've got these beautiful, accurate financial statements, but do you know the story that they're telling? It's not just about looking at the bank account balance and thinking that's available cash that you can spend. When you can see the whole picture the statements reveal, you can see where you've been and clues as to where you're going and where you can take advantage of options or mitigate setbacks. It gives me and my team so much pleasure when we teach clients what to look for on their financials. We love it when your eyes light up and heads are held higher. Confidence soars with financial knowledge and empowerment. So does profit. Top-notch, timely bookkeeping is so important to the success that we strongly suggest clients that work with us choose our offering that includes bookkeeping. With expert bookkeepers and senior staff performing regular file reviews, we ensure that we're referring to the most accurate financial data for tax preparation and advisory work. We know bookkeeping isn't fun for most entrepreneurs. It's work, takes time, and you have to remember things you just don't want to. We alleviate the pain with cloud-based bookkeeping. Of course, you as the business owner still have a critical role to play, as does your accounting team, but in a leaner, cleaner, more enjoyable way. In a way that allows valuable time for review, analysis, looking at options and opportunities. By performing cloud bookkeeping in-house, we help business owners to be proactive versus reactive. If you haven't given bookkeeping the priority that it deserves, and if you feel it's time for a conversation about it, please don't hesitate to reach out to us with a visit to our website, compasscpa.ca, and send a reach out request. We would love to hear about your business and your personal goals. Thank you, and we will see you next time.